Consumption will not be a sacrifice but a bonus if we simply redefine the meaning of the word success, is a famous quote by an author, David Bond. I wish you all a happy and successful World Intellectual Property Day. I am here to make you aware about the importance of intellectual property, abbreviated as IP. Intellectual means intellect of the mind and property means things belonging to someone. Intellectual property in whole refers to the creations of mind. Everything from works of art to inventions, trademarks, and other commercial signs. People celebrate World Intellectual Property Day on April 26 to learn about the role that intellectual property rights plays in encouraging innovation and creativity. So you may think now, why do IP matter to us? IP allows the creators to benefit from their work or from their investment in a creation by giving them control over how their property is used. We have four main types of intellectual property: copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. My classmates will help you know each of them. Now let us see what Dhruv and Aniket are doing.
Hello Dhruv, how are you?
I'm fine, I was just busy.
What are you busy with?
I was downloading a video from YouTube for my own YouTube channel.
Do you have creators' permission to do that?
No, why do I need to take permission?
Permission is required because this may be subject to copyright.
What is copyright?
Copyright is the legal right of the owner of intellectual property. In simpler terms, copyright is the right to copy. So you are copying the original creator's video, which requires the creator's legal permission. If you don't have it, then don't upload it.
Now I get it. What's copyright? Thanks for telling me. I must not copy any other person's intellectual property.
By the way, what kind of YouTube videos are you making?
I was making guitar learning tutorials. I'm good at playing guitar.
This is a fantastic idea. What is the name and logo of your channel?
If I tell you the name and logo, you will not be able to find my channel because there are similar channels with the same name and logo. I want my name and logo to be unique so that my audience can find my channel easily and so that my subscribers can increase. Do you know how to do it?
Simple. You can register them as your trademark by paying them the government fees. By doing this, your name and logo will become your unique trademark and others can't use it.
Thanks for this information, Aniket. You are so knowledgeable.
Dhruv, what are you doing this Saturday evening?
I was quite free, but why are you asking this question?
Let's go to Pizza Hut this Saturday evening.
Yesterday only I ate pizza from a local bakery, but it was not as good as that Mana's Pizza Hut.
It might be that they are using some secret ingredients or some secret process for making the pizza.
We can search it on internet that how do they make it?
No, we cannot find that on internet because these are trade secrets which are not known to public and hence make them unique from their competitors.
That's why Pepsi and Coca-Cola are so different. But what about Apple? How do the iPhone company protect their product as anyone can order iPhone, see the product, open the machinery and replicate it? How do they protect it?
Let us call Harpreet. She might be knowing about this.
Hello Aniket and Dhruv, how are you?
We are fine. We are just ringing you to ask about patent.
Yes, I'll be glad to do that. Do you know that iPhone is protected by patent? Look, listen. A patent is a license which grants property rights to a person working in the field of business science. In simple words, suppose a scientist develops a whole new plant out of his genetic information. Then that scientist will get patent license for a certain period of time. I can give you a few examples of patent. For example, Apple iPhone, 3D printers, GPS, solar panels, and virtual reality.
Thanks for this information, Harpreet.
Oh, wait guys, do you know that Manya has some exciting information to be shared on how intellectual property can be useful for innovation in green science? Let's listen what she has in store for us.
One who receives an idea from me receives instructions himself without listening mine, as he who lights his taper at mine receives light himself without darkening me. The ways in which intellectual property can support innovation for a green future. Firstly, broaden the IP awareness and education for green innovation. For example, certain farmers are using devised methods to solve their agricultural problems. These methods can be patented. On the will of the inventor, these methods can also be used by other farmers too. In this way, both the parties are benefited, as the inventor is getting the royalty and other farmers are getting more new ideas to increase their crop productivity. Second way is to unlock the potential of the IP information. Ready access to the tools that enables users to search publicly available IP information is central to encourage the development of new and technological solutions. And finally, mobilize the young people. Across the world, many young people are voicing their determination to save the planet. Mobilizing their determination to save the planet and collective changes and demanding climatic actions. By reaching these young people, IP offices can support their inculcating their innovative ideas and enable them to translate their ambitions into reality through strategic and innovative use of the IP system.
Further enhance your knowledge, I have created a web page on intellectual property. Let me show you how to explore the same. Firstly, copy this link in any of your browser. You land on the homepage of Intellectual Property Project. Therein you can click on Introduction to get an introduction of what the topic is about. Then you can play a quiz by clicking on the quiz, and later you can also have a knowledge of case studies by clicking on this link. Lastly, you can click on this link to see the official website for intellectual property by the Government of India.
Everybody, let us take an oath. We promise that we will be committed to a green future and will support inventors of green technologies, products and services, reduce waste, recycle more and save energy.
I hope the video was informative. Thank you all for watching.